Alrighty, what's up guys? We are here in Maricopa province. We're actually doing this hardwood floor. It's actually vinyl. They told us it was hardwood floor. One of my videos from a long time ago, you guys could check it out. I actually did this floor and we're here now redoing it. So we're just gonna show you a little time lapse. Righty guys, I just want to do a voice overlay so it's just not completely quiet the whole time. Here we are scrubbing and stripping the wax off and then extracting it. You can see Joey extracting it and Angel's starting to work on the sides, getting all the wax from the sides. Angel's neutral mopping it, Joey's starting to strip that other side. And keep working on the edges. There's still some on the edges on that first section we did. It's kind of like our test section, so we know how much to dilute it, how much to scrub. So we had to just go over it again on those edges. And here we are extracting that second section we did. And flat mopping or neutral mopping those two areas. Make sure there's no wax on there, or stripper or any residue. There I am applying that next section. Joey is scrubbing it and stripping that wax off. I'm doing some touch-ups. Alrighty guys, so I want to show you guys why they had us come out here and do this job.
So you see how it looks just like hella scratched? They actually do tap dancing in this room. And you can see over there where we've done it, taking the wax off. And we're scrubbing the wax off, so it's extracting it, and then we flat mop it, and now the wax after that. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like a lot of stuff is gonna get tap dance in here.
So, I mean, nothing you can really do except keep refinishing the floors like this. Alright, so there was me talking on camera, and here's us working on those next sections. But yeah, like I was saying, we just usually for this process is emulsify all that previous wax, extract it, and then neutral mop it, and then apply the finish. So here we're just finishing up here at last section of this ballroom. Alright, I'm going to show you guys some action footage.
Lead Tech, Master Tech, Angel. You keep them so perfect. I can't even. Wow.
Alrighty, so you guys saw the whole process on how we strip the wax off, the old finish, emulsify it off, clean it, and then now we are doing one more neutral flat mop before we apply the finish. So here we're putting that first coat down. I like to do it pretty heavy. Here we're starting the second coat. Here we are doing the third coat. Alrighty guys, we are all done with this floor. Check it out. Joey, Angel.